confession. It's a confession.
We have to catch him on the outskirt. Outskirt. We have to
confession.
No, them don't need confession price. Them need satellite. The cell towers them can place Benty at the funeral home at certain time where Jayden did missing, and also they can use them phone records. They must do that communicate. They must do that communicate.
The police
do them work. The police them just need to do them
That's
work.
That's why the big man asked you the question tonight, you know. Who could have tell Demar to wipe the phone? Who could have tell, and we have said the principal, but then could be Benty too.
Tell him, man. I must.
All right. So that was a question. That was a question where the lawman asked with the question the night.
That alone should have made them arrest them and charge them backside.
Okay.
As evidence, you try to cover up, it tamper with a cover.
So you what me know? They couldn't move. They couldn't move with Jayden, you know. They couldn't move with Jayden when they just do it, you know.
Surprise, so long. I went the phone wipe.
The phone wipe the night when the police them go there and get the phone wipe. So when you hear Mr. T say the phone lock, even though
the phone was the phone lock, the phone never wipe. When the police them have get the phone now.
Well, they say the phone wipe. This man I will come back to it.
Is either the phone phone people them wipe the phone, and then bring it to a phone shop.
I must say phone shop then bring him and wipe him, man.
A phone shop it wipe.
Yeah, man. They have them places, you know, where they use probably, you know, man.
If phone shop it wipe, because when they carry it, go at the police station, they say the phone lock. Code is on the phone. And Mr. T get back the phone and carry go a Mandeville one phone shop. I don't know which phone shop in Carrico.
Come here, Mr. T get back the phone from the police them.
And Mr. T bring the phone out there.
Well, I know you say him get back the phone. So I'm saying get back the phone from who?
No must the police him bring the phone go to the police station.
And them said the phone lock
and the police them give the phone. Then give him back the phone to go pull the phone, to get the phone pulled. So that's why they ask price.
That can't go so.
So I ask price when the phone
No, nothing can't go so. Nothing can't go so, Sean. Nothing cannot go so. You cannot tell me, say Mr. T bring the phone, go give the police them, and them say the phone lock him to go get it pulled and bring it back. Nothing cannot go so. Nothing can't go so.
Lady, are you tell me or me I tell you? Which
me not say I lie you telling her, but me I say
no,
this
me
no make sense.
Me I tell you or you tell me. That's why me
make sense.
That's why me there ask price when the phone wipe. Because when the police them get the phone did lock.
So Tiger, are you hearing this? The police them have special people them in them unit we can pull phone for if ever we can't buy one.
The phone would have to go. The phone would have to go cybercrime.
It have to go
town. The phone would have to go cybercrime at town for pull and the.
Exactly. So why would they give Mr. T back the phone to tell him to pull the phone and bring back?
And when you take the phone from a phone like that and you're gonna send it to cybercrime, go pull. You take the phone, you carry the phone, go over Era Tree, you put up the phone, over same place where by commissioner office around there, so you put on the phone, you wrap the phone in a file paper, secure the evidence. That means if you it in a file paper, you can't do nothing from outside for tamper with the phone. So the phone is wrap and secure in a file paper, put away. Right?
No man, hold on, but no, we have to go back. Shanique said around 1 week them have the phone and try pull the phone. That she said the police them have the phone for 1 week and
what kind of phone it is? The iPhone?
I'm gonna think them big back
You take the word right out of my mouth. You take the word because Shanice talk on the interview. They can play phone and say the police them have the phone.
Around 1 week now.
Can't pull it yet.
Around 1 week now, she said them have the phone and can't pull it yet.
That's
and
why
at the time when she said that was
that's why That's why I was asking price when did the phone wipe.
The policeman, me up on the internet, me up on the live.
The phone is gone our phone shop.
And it shouldn't go to no phone shop.
Price breaks up. Watch you know for true. She asked you a good question. But when the phone go to the phone shop, when did Mr. T turn in the phone to get it back to bring it?
I do not know.
Okay.
I do not know. That's why me ask for when did the phone wipe? Because we know so the phone they lock.
Couple weeks after we up on the live.
And the police
same
them
time
have
we
the
deal with the
phone.
pan. Same time when we are dealing with the pan.
Oh, so I wonder if Benty, T, I give the phone to Mr. T, I give the phone to Benty, and Benty say, bring it, go to the phone shop, go make them something there and bring it back.
That's why the man say, who would I tell them to wipe the phone? No, that's why the man say, who could I tell them to wipe the phone? You know, listen to the code.
That's this bigger than me.
Then you hear the code. Remember, say upon the live, the man coming out when the man did that rubbish, everything what me are saying, and the people them say, a liar tell price. You never, and then come back and them say price. You talk to this person, you talk to that person. Her name is this and her name is that, and you have gone to that place and gone to that place. And I have videos of the pan. So the man say I have video of the pan. So that means they then got the pan, do the investigation, do what they have to do, and he say you gave the police a strong lead. And I basically tell me thanks. Okay.
And a phone it is, Shanda.
Well, and everyone we are going to know, you know, because we just hear about phones, so nobody have a specific talk about phone. Because we don't know Jayden like that. Shanda wouldn't know neither. I would have somebody would have to tell we. And if that was so, Shanda would have told him a long time.
Sometimes anybody can pull a something, you know, but the iPhone hard to pull.
That was just Ray. The common person can't pull it. If you carry to a phone wizard, and the phone wizard would deal with it. So I didn't carry go and then wipe it. And when they bring it back to the police now, the police has said the phone wipe. So when it coming into evidence now, the phone wipe.
Then them still can get things from the phone. Like
right, but they're only relating to us. They're only relating to us that this is the option that they have take. So nobody feel like say the police them don't know, so they can't get it. But them I tell you say then go as far as and do that. So police them still have police do some things, you know, but on every one of them and through a police and police involved, everybody are trying to push you and I cap it. But if push come to shove, them still have to have them evidence there, you know. Because nobody now go down, you know, with you, you know. So me I still collect my evidence, them still I do my thing. So if my back is against the wall and me have to throw you out there, me still have to have my evidence because at the end of the day, you can't be a part of what you are doing. So man, I secure himself, seeing where so investigation are done, but he just put your hand on the person and say, come man, you're a damn culprit. So like how we not ease up our fight and when we crack it and get somebody to say a term, get somebody to say a term, then somebody now go say, yeah, we did have this for him, you know. Because no man now go down with him. Nobody now go down with Benty. Because Benty never tell the man say him a family member, you know. Then to tell him like him is a community friend or a good police in the community. And the man turn up for nearly 25 minutes right in front of the police station attacking him. Him say me I go into a meeting now. And enough of these things where you tell me, I am going to bring it to the table and let them know because I didn't know, honestly didn't know that he was family member. So this boy I play the devil's advocate long time in our case. And you know every blogger way I talk on the case. Oh. That's why I talk to you hear me. I'll say to you now. You can't have the people that just come on the platform with the negativity and I throw on off like I try win a case with them. I win no case with nobody, man. Them the days are done. A man approach me certain way, remember say me I tell you say, you got this yo.
So we have two new suspects to add to it. Romain, which is the brother, and first son are the one who carry Jenny to the hospital.
Okay.
Him was the driver who bring her to the hospital. And then Kozo Benti, the funeral woman which are the police.
Yeah, man, him should have time there for a long time. And him should time there for a long time. Him and the principal should have in there for a long time. So you see where the criminal back, the principal bucket if I come from. You see the connection in our police force. Can't dispute that now. And when me mention it, me tell you say he raised the police lady eyebrow. He lift her eyebrow way up. Cause she said to me, say, so tell me what stripe he have on his shoulder. Tell me. Me say 2. And then she called his name. She called one name and she said, me say no. And she said Bent. And I remember I say yes, I Bent his name. And I say yes. And she said okay. That was the morning. That was the morning when we were supposed to go down to St. Elizabeth, down Hall Park. Because they were so unprepared. They couldn't go down Hall Park because they didn't know what to say. So then go in at the press conference. A press conference and keep the morning when we were supposed to go at Hall Park, you know, to go deal with it, you know. Immediately they get one press conference. So the youth know, me give him this stuff we got in a press conference with. So if him go in there and not talk, too bad for him. Because him are the sergeant, detective sergeant. Young youth, look very decent. Because he honestly said to me, say, you know, all this time I never know that he was family. Me just think he's just a man in the community where grew up there and have the respect. I never know. So I had to make this be known to them in the meeting. Okay. So you can put on that screen record here and save it. Yeah. So Mr. Bent, you have to come tell the Jamaican people where your cousin and you allegedly supposed to involve in the Jayden Summit concealing of Jayden's body, because that are conceal the youth body and I prevent the youth from get a funeral. So you may just come in like my boy, my police boy with the band trial.
No, Maitland.
Maitland. So maybe use the next Maitland. Maybe use the next Maitland boy.
Yo, a whole heap of them in the police force, and a whole heap of the Noel Maitland in the police force.
Maybe Benty are the next
very common
Maitland.
in it. Very common.
Yeah, the Maitland Benty. Alright, Benty.
Yeah, been time for shine now. Them are coming here too soon.
Come up, Benty. Step up to the table, Benty. We know you know the incrimination, so you order it. So the place them do the incrimination for the body. Them people that would have know say, in at that time that you carry a body come there. Because it come from your funeral home. And then would have know say I want little body. Because even if they want to do it for you, them have to do it with details. Because them at the end of the day now get themselves in a crap. So Benty, if allegedly you're guilty, you know them are going to hang you by your balls. I know you used to walk Ben like a duck. You're going to walk straight, you know, Benty. If what these people are saying is true, may God help you. I can't believe. I think you piss bun grass to come. I never really see no picnic run up and down around here in a Benty. I wonder if you're really a picnic. So we can't see why. We can't see why some people are move the way them are move. And them are block the way or them are block.
need to set up the